We're Spartanburg County, South Carolina. All right. Purchase price, we're still working out the kinks, but we're right now around $91,000 to buy it.
I remember this from last week.
Oh, here we go. Thinks we can sell it for 200. Resubmitting it with additional due diligence due to recollaborate potential interests. Neighboring properties feature mobile homes and potential of this property to be used the same. The seller describes plans for up to 6 mobile homes. I'm scrolling down for the rest of that one. I don't see it. All right. I think that's, if there's more to that, Chelsea, let me know here. All right. So it's 6.31 acres. I remember this. Oh,
So do I.
yeah. We were looking at something storage or something back there.
It had the,
Didn't it have power lines?
no, it had a.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it had the billboard, but wasn't there power lines like halfway through the property and then a creek at the back?
It's with
Yep.
that.
Exactly. Power
Yeah.
lines. You can see them here. Billboard.
Mm-hmm.
So what it came down to for me, I remember this deal is what's the revenue on the billboard? The endless beautiful revenue. They don't need a cell tower. There's one there. So hopefully we got a billboard lease and we know what's coming in to, so we can calculate some version of a capitalization rate and make a good decision. Well, I think what we decided is that, like Sam just said, there's a big issue with these power lines. It just kind of stops the usability of the property. So,
And there's no other, I wish there was some other way that we could, if I could access it another way, I might, there's the creek. Now I see that right there. Man, if I could come in one of the back streets, then I could see having mobile homes back there and using it. All right. The house on the adjacent tract has been leased to college student for years. University of South Carolina is 1.5 miles away. I'm still having troubles with the other.
so do we have a revenue stream from the billboard? That's my question.
Yeah,
And is it transferable?
good
Because
point.
I mean, I would be personally very interested in that.
Exactly.
I just don't see where you're gonna put these mobiles.
I know.
Billboard is out.
Oh,
And so this is a container that somebody over here has probably got stored. And this is the way in. There's a lot going on. So if the billboard's out, I'm out.
Billboards
This is
out.
the way into the property.
mm,
And if it's a mobile home situation, now you're going to build a road or blade a road, best case, through here. Under this billboard, we don't know if that's possible,
Under
under
the
these
power
lines
lines.
here. And now you have a 6-unit mobile home situation on the I-85.
I'm having a hard time selling it.
I think the best use of this, hopefully it's ag is to use what's going on here.
Same county, Spartanburg County, South Carolina. This one accepted offer price, $44,000. Thinks we can sell it for $144,000.
Good.
7.71 acres. She put her A's in here. We have the access, affordability, adjacent, alive. So the ratio.
There we go.
For sale comps right now, Chelsea came up with 28 and compared to on Redfin, 28 active, 98 sold. I'm assuming last 12 months. So
Good. I thought that was in a floodplain. Oops, I re-clicked on it.
3.7, it is 1.5. If you want to find it again.
This property, I think.
There you go. That's it. Sheesh, that's good.
Why is that wet? Oh, somebody put this road in.
Nice. Okay.
Here we
I
go.
like this
It's-
one.
If someone's using a side by side over there,
Yeah.
over the creek.
It's not wet. I just checked, or at least FEMA doesn't say it is.
This is
It's
cool.
kind of rolling though.
Yeah, it does look a little hilly.
Looks like a cleared area down there. You want to go back in time? I don't know if he's done anything, but
I always like to find fall photos where you could see the actual land.
yep, when the trees
Oh,
are
geez.
bare.
Good.
Yeah. Oh,
Whoa,
That's the elevation profile. That's problematic.
wait. It goes way back too far. Give me just a minute. Can we stop it?
Oh,
at
it
that?
does go too far.
Yeah.
Sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You mean I put it back there too far?
Right. Well, I wasn't going to call you out. Okay.
like-
It looks
Yeah, I
like
think
a
it's
cleared
pretty-
area back.
There's a little shed back there.
See?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is good.
some sort of structure.
Here's
Back
what
in
I think.
2018.
All
I
right.
think Chelsea does like 8 or 10 deals a week. And the ones she's not sure about or kind of suck in general, she puts on the show.
Mm-hmm. I understand that.
But I mean, that's kind of what the show's for though, right? I mean, once-
Yeah.
Yeah.
she's definitely not
I
putting everything out
see.
there.
Mhm.
So this is something that you got to get somebody out there and get eyes on it. For whatever reason, it's not showing up on the FEMA flood, the map. Let's see what this house is worth, cutting to the chase here.
She said that previous 12 months sales, and she said the seller has said the property has 3 creeks. I like this one, Chelsea. I need to see the map.
Oh,
7 acres.
120,000 for the house right here. This is the target property.
Mhm.
I don't know if we got eyes on this road. Don't.
Can you do it Go back in time and see what's really going on there. What that did.
2021, 19, 17, 16, still there.
Look at the road goes all the way back. Look at
Something back
that. Look
here.
at there. You can see it again.
Shed or house. Looks like a little house, actually.
I
Tiny little
liked
house.
this one.
You just got to get out there and get in and see.
Yeah. Hope that's still there, Chelsea.
These are not yet built houses or like personal agriculture. 2008, 6. We got serious promise.
Mm-hmm.
Check on Zillow.
Looking for the math.
Yeah.
That's my only question is the math right now. My initial goal is sure.
Carl's been in Zillow for a while, so some of it looks okay.
Up there.
16 acres, 252, small lots. These are all small. 5 acres for 75, 7 acres for 100, 7 acres for 100.
Fine for 40.
Yeah. So this
I'd like
passes
it at
stage 1.
30.
This passes like the stage 1 test.
Yeah,
Mhm.
for sure.
I would really like to see buildability. I'd like the county to say, yeah, it's buildable
Mm-hmm.
without grading. What do you guys think?
I mean, there's definitely, I see some comparable properties, but definitely get an opinion from someone local.
Mhm.
It has a street address, which is super interesting to me.
Yeah, I Googled that. I didn't have anything come up.
Mhm.
I just like it's assigned. I just that little thing. So it looks like they paid 33,000 in 04.
good.
If that's right, now I'm liking your 44.
Is there a structure on it?
Came
They
in
didn't
there.
know building information, so they don't
Yeah.
say that.
So that could that would mean
I would
that
get-
could be a shed.
Get somebody out there, a real estate agent, and just to drive down that road
Mm-hmm.
and see what's really going on.
Right. We are now same county. Chelsea's third one that she's worried about this week.
That's a good problem.
Exactly. It sure is. Buy for 44, sell for 105. Similar size, 6.5 acres, 6.49. We have access, affordable, adjacent, alive. Chelsea says yes, 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 and yes.
Some type of clearing here too. That's what FEMA says is flood,
These are
which is
great.
good. Yeah, this is a good deal too. Maybe better.
I know. That's what I think.
I like the clearing.
Mhm.
Mhm.
The road here too.
Yeah, nice home site.
Google's over there. You can at least see there on Mayo Road.
Yeah, it's what you think it looks like.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I think that's sweet. I like it.
See what this is. Best one so far.
Mm-hmm.
Nose estimate. Let's see what realtor thinks. 211. And you're paying 44 for a larger acreage with structure.
No structure.
So this is, I mean, there's a structure here at 3.5 acres for
200. Yeah.
200. This is a couple more acres for bare, so I think it needs to be cheaper, closer to,
20.
yeah, just to be safe.
Right.
But again, if you got 3 or 4 or 5 or however many properties you have, hopefully you need a whitetail guy there anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So I love the dirt, and maybe 44 is okay. You need to, and you've justified somehow $100,000 sale price. So
They'll confirm that.
yeah, just comes down to the money on this.
Exactly. Good job, Chelsea.
Yep.
I like those.
Another good week.
Mm-hmm. We're working on the next one here. Okay. So Adrian has another one, same county, 2.46 acres, 1.35 are usable. Offer price 9,000.
Yep.
Access just other homes and
Buy it.
waterfront. Portion of the lot is in the FEMA flood area.
You can see that here. I would buy this. I would
Mhm.
confirm usability. You've got all kinds of signage here. You can see new roofs.
9 acres to use that other part right over there. You're okay with that?
The
that-
property across the street is worth 250.
Oh, it's a nice house.
Slam dunk. Just confirm usability. That is, we all know that there's a FEMA flood situation here, which I honestly
Mhm.
think is going to make this a waterfront piece of property if you build right there or here.
That's a great price.
Yeah.
It passes adjacent, it passes access, it passes affordability.
Past asphalt is the other A.
Passes the 7th A is asphalt.
Yep.
Oh, geez. Oh,
There's
so
a horse
sorry.
sign there. That's cool.
Oh,
Oh,
guardrail.
Just check usability.
Yeah.
But even with the guardrail and all that, 9, you might be able to buy for 9, sell for 20. Just check usability. There may be a way in here.
I have a piece of property that I think I still have
This is not sounding like a bad story, not a good story.
that looked just like this. And Jack said, this is the greatest thing. Someone can hang out and fish out their backyard. And-
Oh,
but it
it's my
was-
fault.
No, I'm just saying. You picked it. I wouldn't have picked it. Totally true. It was like in Pennsylvania
I
or
know.
something.
Oh,
Remember what
I
I'm
know that
talking
piece of
about?
property. I bought that, Jill, honestly, before you.
Well, and that was great because had I been involved,
All kidding aside, there's a good chance you can use this driveway and put something here, right here.
Maybe.
That goes all the way back here.
This one's iffy to me because of that.
All along the river, there's something going on here. So
Like that no one's built is what you're saying.
I would probably buy this. It's waterfront. I would just check to see if you can get access through here.
Keep in mind, it's only
We have driveway access. I would buy it.
it's only it's 2.5 acres, which I like. But again, I can only use 1.3 of those acres,
And
which
that's
still,
fine. Still,
as long as I could still
enough to buy, build a
do
house right
something
here.
cool there, then okay.
Or pipeline running through the middle of it
No, it's the edge of it. There's a pipeline easement
on Google
on
Street,
Google Streets, but I think it's just the edge of it.
just before you hit the guardrail on Google Streets, you drop the man right there. That yellow, it's a little different picture than you see from above. Yeah, it's a pipeline.
That
Yes.
Yes,
I'm trying to figure out, but that doesn't go through the property, I don't believe, does it?
No, I think it's on the road.
I do too.
If the
mm,
satellite's accurate, I would buy this. It's $9,000. Just see what happens.
yeah,
Yeah, that is definitely property.
okay,
I would get eyes on it and just make sure you can put something there.
that's it. That's my only concern. So good. We hope you found our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.